Do you know Michael B. Jordan? Well, no, not the former basketball player Michael Jordan. Michael B. Jordan, the actor from movies like Creed, Black Panther, and Black Panther: Wakanda Forever, in which he especially attracts a lot of attention with his incredible body. But did he actually achieve the great physique naturally, or did he use some steroids? That's exactly what we'll find out today, so stay tuned, because we're going to tell you if Michael B. Jordan is natural or on gear. Let's first take a look at Michael B. Jordan in the time from 2009 to 2011, when he appeared in the TV series Friday Night Lights. There we can see that Michael B. Jordan was very slim and well-toned at the time, a classic ectomorph body type. This means that he has a hard time building muscles, but also doesn't easily put on fat and can therefore maintain a relatively low body fat percentage. And now let's take a look at his body in Creed, a 2015 movie in which he played a boxer and starred along Sylvester Stallone as Rocky Balboa. For this movie, Michael B. Jordan had to get in shape, of course. After all, a heavyweight boxer should have a lot of muscle mass. To do this, he said he ate mostly brown rice, chicken, and broccoli, drank about 6 liters of water a day, and exercised 2 to 3 times daily. He did all this for 1.5 years. Michael B. Jordan also said that there is no secret for his extreme body transformation. He simply exercised hard and made a lot of sacrifices. Sounds great, doesn't it? Yes, it does. But when we look at his growth from Friday Night Lights to Creed, we have pretty strong doubts that he has achieved all this naturally. Michael B. Jordan was suddenly an absolute monster in Creed, and that as an ectomorph guy who normally wouldn't be able to build up so much muscle in a relatively short time without steroids. Our suspicions that Michael B. Jordan was already juicing back then intensifies when we look at his form in 2018's Creed 2, because here his physique became even more brutal than it already was in Creed. And we can't blame him. After all, he received a lot of money and a lot of attention for this role. So it's all too understandable that he did everything he could to look as good as possible for the movie. And let's be honest, he probably didn't even have to take a lot of steroids for that, but only a moderate dose. Of course, neither in Creed 1 nor in Creed 2 does he have a body that looks like that of a bodybuilder, but he is still immensely buff and shredded. So we think that his physique development was just too extreme to be natural. That becomes even more obvious when we look at his body in Black Panther and Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. Here too, Michael B. Jordan is almost unrecognizable compared to before, and that's not surprising. After all, he stated himself that he wanted to look like a beast for his role as a villain in those movies, and he managed to do that, but certainly not naturally. The formerly very slim Michael B. Jordan actually gained over 30 pounds of pure muscle mass in just a few years for Creed and Black Panther, as well as Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. For someone who doesn't have extraterrestrial genetics, that's only possible with gear. Our verdict is certainly clear. Michael B. Jordan has been on steroids since Creed in 2015 and is therefore not natty. That's it again for today. If you liked our video, share it with your friends.